A controversial new law that lifted the statewide mask mandate may start lifting a lot of other COVID-related restrictions soon.
Ben Winslow has the exclusive story from Utah's Capitol Hill.
Under the COVID-19 endgame law the legislature passed and the governor signed, health restrictions are lifted as certain benchmarks are met. And the House Speaker tells me that may be just a few weeks away.
Just gets better and better every week.
Legislative leaders are happy with the progress Utah's making in battling COVID-19. Cases are down, vaccinations are up. The bill the legislature passed that lifted the statewide mask mandate will now lift other health restrictions once Utah hits certain metrics.
We're probably 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks away.
Here's where we are right now. We've already met the marks for COVID patients in the ICU and case rates, but the delay is with vaccines.
We need to be careful still. There's members of our community that haven't had an opportunity to get a vaccine that want one. And we need to be mindful and respectful of those folks until they get that opportunity.
Utah's Department of Health says the state is making great progress in meeting the metrics under the new law. The agency says it's monitoring them closely and will be prepared to adjust course if another surge of the virus happens.
People are getting vaccinated. The response is good, but you still have pockets especially in my district on the west side of Salt Lake City and West Valley, where the vaccination rates are extremely low.
Senate Minority Whip Luz Escamilla says vaccine rates in her district are around 20%, compared to 60% in other parts of the state.
It worries me that we feel too relaxed, that we may end up in a surge. So I'm glad that the numbers continue to look positive.
Meanwhile, the legislature will meet in a special session next month to spend federal COVID stimulus money. Utah's getting as much as $8 billion from the feds. Lawmakers will appropriate about $1.5 billion.
Obviously, infrastructure project.
Lawmakers will spend on transportation. The Senate president says he'd also like to see money spent on increasing internet access. Some lawmakers may try to lift the mask mandate for schools. The Senate president says he'd like a timeout on more COVID-related bills.
Right now, I think we need to just maybe take a deep breath and to celebrate the fact that we are the best economy in the entire nation, that we're moving vaccines out. We've almost got between 40 to 50% of our population with first vaccinations.
And that special session will happen in May. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News.